Hi everyone. Today we will talk about the greater discussions for personalities and socialization in planning a lesson, which is for a subject cognitive psychology and other related science in education. For our introduction is there are two concepts of personality and socialization are developed and almost of the researchers agree that the educational function of school includes above two aspects. There are two they are the that have a different understandings of the relationship between two of them which are the personality and socialization. First, for the personality is education promotes human innovation by cultivating personal values, focusing on the harmonious development of the person's bodies and mind so that the educated person's nature and personality can be developed. Secondly is for the socialization. Education is to make educated people become people needed by society. It advocates the people master social knowledge and norms and adapt it for the needs of the social life.
Hi everyone, today I want to share about the definition of personality. Personality is actually describe the unique pattern of thought, feelings and behaviors that distinguish a person from others. A product of both a biology and environment is remain fairly consistent through life. The other definition of personality is the stem from the Latin word. It means the persona, which refer to other theoretical mass form by perform to play roles or disguise the identities.
Definition of socialization. Socialization is the process by which individuals learn and master knowledge, skill, language, value, and other skill, behavior, and personality characteristics in a specific social and cultural environment. Adapt to the society, actively contribute to society, and create a new culture. Socialization is strongly connected to development psychology. Human needs social experience to learn their culture and to survive. Socialization is the process by which people, especially children, are made to behave in a way which is acceptable in their culture of society. Through socialization, individuals learn the standard value and accepted behavior of society.
Alright, next is about how apply personality in planning and implementing lessons. For the first one is teacher follow a balanced curriculum. A balanced curriculum focuses on both the cognitive and physical development of students. It should not only target grasping brain challenging history and mathematics lesson in class, but also aids in the personality development of students. The curriculum must also include extracurricular activities that can help students more to develop their personality, skill, and learning indirectly. Alright, for the second one is teacher challenge the students. Education is more than just learning the lessons mentioned in syllabus. Other than that, we can help our students to learn from that. And then we can challenge them to participate in projects like the cleanliness drive of the city that are outside their curricular, but ensure them positive personality development skill. When students become a part of social activities, they understand the importance of being unified and helping others. We can help them release the task to let them know that generosity is beyond age, and everyone should practice it. Furthermore, we can organize small group discussions wherein students can come forward with their opinion and helping society in different ways.
How to apply socialization in planning and implementing lessons? Well, teacher as a role model, children observe and emulate their teachers' behaviors, communication styles, and attitudes. Teachers also serve as a role model for their students, and their behavior and actions can significantly impact the implementation of socialization in lessons. Here's how the teachers as role model can help in this context. First is to demonstrate a social skills. Teachers can model appropriate social behaviors such as active listening, respect for others' opinions, patience, and empathy during classroom discussion and interaction. Students often mirror the behavior they see in the teachers. Teachers play a crucial role in shaping students' social development by serving as a role models. Their action, attitudes, and behaviors can leave a lasting impact on students' understanding of socialization and interpersonal skills. By consistently demonstrating positive social skills and values, teachers create a conducive environment for socialization in the classroom. Next, we go to the effective communication. Communication skills are the key to developing friendships and to building a strong social support network. So, effective communication is crucial when implementing lessons in socialization. It helps students to develop essential interpersonal skills and creates a classroom environment that fosters positive social interaction. Here's there are few we can integrate effective communication in the lessons. First is active listening. Teach students the importance of active listening by modeling it during discussions and activities. Encourage them to pay attention to what their peers are saying, ask the clarifying question, and provide the feedback. So, by consistently integrating these strategies into the lessons can help students develop a strong communication skills, which are quite essential for successful socialization for both inside or outside the classroom. Essential communication is a foundational skill that contributes to students' personal and academic growth.
After we know about the definition of personality, now we move to the effect of personality in planning and implementing lesson. First, we're going to the personality is termed to be the most general characteristic of the individual difference. That means persona is a development should start early in the student life as a student schools. More like to adapt the things and taught to them early stage. Many psychological factors play an important role in shaping on a personality. Next, we going to the second is a personality have gained a positive impact on one communication skill and the way one see the world. That means personality play an important role in education. the best personality development school, and in the one way you learn about the ethic, behaviors, and how to gain self-esteem. The third one is emotional stability can hinder students' learning achievement, whether consistentness can promote higher learning achievement. That means previous studies on the influence of personality trait on academic perform on the often focus on the rule. Personality dimensions, trait and their transformations for the pathway, and generally regarded student self-efficacy as the main intermediary transmission the ways. And the last one, effect of the personality dependent and implementation is teaching and learning process can be influenced by the teacher personality and the mentality either positively or negatively. That means the personality impact if the teacher have a positive trait in the lesson. Personality is a being a patient, cooperative, and authoritative. If the teacher have a personality of negative, that means the lessons of the implemented lesson cannot be the whole and the perfect. And the success teacher and that could get his student certifications.
Okay, for the effect of the socialization in education. For the first one is help students improve their analysis and adaptability. Through social education, children can continuously enhance their analytical skill and adaptability in a complex and even changing social environment and can experience various social roles. For the second is let children be positive. There are many educational organizations in the society and their educational contents are extensive and adaptable. The methods are flexible and divisive, and their guidance is effective, which will inevitably have a broad and positive impact on the improvement of the quality of the children with different interests and hobby. Okay, for the third is to promote the diversity of student education. Education in society can make full use of social resources, effectively develop and utilize various potential human and material resources, natural and humanistic resources in the society, promoted the diversification and socialization of the education and allowed students to fulfill develop. For the last one is the cultivated and excellent life personality. Social development is not only an important indicator to measure a person's development level, but is also an indispensable and important aspect of the student comprehension development educational. For example, the period before 6 years old is the most important period of the personality. During this period, teacher must train the student well. In the future, they only need to follow the student continuous growth and development, and they will naturally become an outstanding member of the society.
Okay, for conclusion, is this outcome show the complex relationship between a person's personality trait and interactions experiences, highlighting the significance of taking into account both elements in educational environment to improve student achievement and well-being. By applying it in the class, it's essential to remain adaptable and responsive to the individual need and characteristic of our student while promoting a respectful and inclusive classroom environment that can value the diversity of personalities and socializations experiences.